Bald spot, be gone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take these tired bald thinning edges, cover this bald spot with this cute hairstyle. Stay tuned.
Welcome to the Living channel. Welcome to the Living channel.
Okay, my traction alopecia ladies, or my ladies suffering with thinning hairline. So today we're going to be doing the China bun and bang in the style Cocoa Color 1B. This is made by the brand Equal. This is a great way to hide those bald thinning edges. This is the bun. It is hollow on the inside, but if you don't mind that hollowness, this is a super quick, easy hairstyle. I love it. It's cute. The hair texture is yucky, and the bang is super easy to install. So first, you want to start out by putting your hair in a ponytail. I'm taking my favorite, the Shine and Jam, and just putting a little bit on my hair. Then you're just going to take your hair and brush it up into a small little bun. This hairstyle is super affordable. It costs about $10 and it only takes 5 minutes. And it's a great way to disguise your hairline if you are suffering with bald spot. This is an inspirational hairstyle. And of course, ladies, if you are dealing with any type of traction alopecia, be gentle on your hairline. So I'm going in it with my fave. You guys have seen this 1,000 times, but this is the Kiss Quick Gray Cover Stick. I highly recommend this product if you have the same condition that I have on my edge line. It's very tacky. No, it does not sweat off. If you dive into the pool or get into the shower, yes, it will wash off, and it is very temporary. Go ahead, add that in the areas that you have the balding and just blend it out with your finger or a brush, and this thing blends in amazingly. Then after I blend it out, I'm just going to go ahead and put some little baby hairs down, and then I'm going to mold it down. If you don't want this product to transfer, then you can take a little bit of hairspray or whatever hairspray of your choice and mold it down. And what that does is it locks the product down on your scalp, and it really doesn't transfer. Now, if you get it drenched wet, or if you sweat that bad in your head, then you may have a problem. And ladies, this is a temporary look if you have traction alopecia, and I love it because the bangs is what the real kicker is. It covers the hairline. So go ahead, enjoy the rest of this video. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think.
Sexy mom.